Figure's humanoid robot, which has been in development with BMW for nearly 6 months, is showing impressive progress in its manufacturing training. A new video highlights its evolving capabilities, underscoring its potential in industrial applications. The robot stands 5 feet 6 inches tall and weighs 132 pounds. It can carry up to 44 pounds and operates for up to 5 hours at a speed of 2.7 miles per hour. This advancement represents a significant step towards integrating AI powered robots into manufacturing, aiming to offer a more cost effective and adaptable labor force, Fox News has reported. As the field of humanoid robots grows, these machines could transform labor markets and drive economic growth independent of population changes.